Is the Jetterix pressure nozzle really the game changer it claims to be, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's cut through the noise and get straight to the facts. First things first, the Jetterix pressure nozzle is not a motorized pressure washer. It's a garden hose attachment that boosts the spray using the water pressure you already have at home. So, if you're expecting it to blast away stubborn oil stains like a professional power washer, you're probably going to be disappointed. But here's what it actually does well. It's a solid upgrade from your standard hose nozzle. If you need to wash your car, spray down patio furniture, clean your windows, or rinse off light dirt from your driveway, the Jetterix is up for the job. One thing I love is how lightweight and easy it is to use. Older adults and anyone who doesn't want to wrestle with a heavy machine will appreciate that. Plus, it stores easily in a drawer. No need for bulky equipment taking up space. Now, a quick heads up. The Jetterix relies entirely on your home's water pressure. If your water flow isn't great, don't expect miracles. It won't magically create extra power. As for build quality, the official version uses corrosion-resistant stainless steel and reinforced plastics. It fits most standard garden hoses, no fancy adapters needed. And you get a couple of spray patterns, one for a targeted jet and another for a gentle fan spray. But here's the catch. A lot of the marketing is over the top. Stick to buying from the official Jetterix site or verified sellers so you don't end up with a cheap knockoff. And check for that 30-day money-back guarantee. So, is it a scam? Not at all. But is it a miracle worker? Not really. It's an affordable, handy tool for light cleaning. Just don't expect it to do the heavy lifting of a gas or electric pressure washer.